The manufacturing industry faces complex challenges today and constantly seeks new methods to reduce operational risks. Sudden equipment breakdowns lead to unexpected costs, downtime, and reduced productivity. One method of reducing such risks is implementing AI and machine learning solutions. Benefits of machine learning in manufacturing: machine failure prediction for predictive maintenance. Recommendations for the optimum maintenance schedules. Optimized resource utilization. Real-time asset performance monitoring. Power outage prevention. Increased security. Higher efficacy of operations.